Y'all want to know something? I've never been good at making videos. It's never been my forte. Cutting on the camera, pressing record, and then stopping and starting again if I mess up. And that's never been my forte. That's what I told myself. You see, this is a mental blockage that we all face. I'm just making it in the form of I've never been good at making videos, at recording videos. Some of my most profound and prolific and prophetic messages come on stream or in real life, at the gym, at the store. Today, I went to 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗶 after I got my braids done, and somebody in 𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗶 stopped me and said, just be simple. I like that. That's right in life. Just be simple. And I said, hey, it's a lifestyle. And he looked at me and he said, it is a lifestyle. I said, every day you wake up, you just be simple. Have a phenomenal day. And I walked off, right? The things that we tell ourselves we can't do is why we are in the same position we're at. Take any situation in life right now. How your body looks, how bumpy your face is, how much money you got in your checking account, how much money you got in your savings account, how you living, are your bills paid, is your light bill paid, your Wi-Fi bill paid, your car note paid, your rent paid. Take any given situation, take any given circumstance. The reason why you have not made that next leap is because you are consistently dreaming about your past. That's what's in the frontal lobe of your brain. So when it comes to frequencies, you lack high frequencies. So what is high vibration and high frequency? Exercising, dieting, fasting, juicing, eating healthy. I said exercising. Of course I did. Meditation, journaling, self-reflecting, shadow work. You know, those of y'all who are interested in therapy, getting you a therapist, right? Going for long walks, social media detoxing, no fap, semen retention. These are high vibrational things. You're not gambling. You're not vaping. You're not smoking. You're not going to the club every Saturday and every fucking Sunday. 2 nights every week because you got FOMO. You at your grown big ass age, you got FOMO. For those of y'all don't know, fear of missing out. You big as hell, grown as shit, and you still got a fear of missing out. With a whole bunch of other big, broke, bonky individuals. So the things that we tell ourselves is why we can't reach that next level. So I told myself I was never good at making videos until I made it my ultimate goal. Recording a video for Instagram, for my Instagram story. 1 take. On YouTube, 1 take. And even still, it's rocky, but I'm fluid. I'm more fluid now because am I in a rush? Are you in a rush? Who's rushing you? Who's rushing you? Those who see will seek. Those who see will seek. That's it and that's all. That's just be simple. That's just being simple every single day. So you know what I realized, y'all? I told myself, I'm great at making videos. What you mean? I'm great. No. And it's not even being delusional. I'm great at making videos. You're great at playing basketball. You're great at editing. You're great at talking to people. You're great at motivating people. You're great at working, exercising. You have good routine. But when you're low vibrational, you lose discipline, you lose motivation, you lose inspiration, you lose dedication. You lose that because your brain is so focused on your past. That's what your dreams are. What 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 girl said? Close your eyes and it's time, make a sound. Dream, 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 dream. But what are you dreaming? You're dreaming your past life. You can't progress. That's why they call it that type of meditation, that deep state meditation, past life regression. And when you get rest and you lay down in your bed and you go into a different plane, don't call it sleep, but you're in a different plane, guess what? That is called astral projection. You are projecting your dreams and aspirations and goals and visions into a future life. That's why you cannot create your next reality. Because look at what you dream. Look at what you think about. Look at what you tell yourself. I can't. I'm not. But if. Well, I could if I had the. But when I. Ooh, woo. And that's one of my favorite words. When. But W-I-N, not W-H-E-N. You see how they made it a synonym from a homophone, right? When and when, there, and there. 3 different meanings, but there, and there. It's the same morning and morning, same. Wow. So use this as inspiration to tell yourself, whatever I've been lacking, I have. So I'm lacking it. I'm going to say it again. Y'all didn't get that. Tell yourself from this point forward, whatever I've been lacking, I have it. I obtain what I've been lacking. What? And I know it's something so simple. We hold the chains and the shackles around our neck and to our ankles. We hold them. We hold them. So for all my YouTubers out there, and you say to yourself, well, I'm not that comfortable in front of a camera. I'm not suitable enough to be in front of a camera and vlog my life or film what I'm doing because my life is boring. I'm not doing enough in my days. I'm lazy. I procrastinate. I don't know how to edit. I don't got a good camera. I don't got a good mic. I don't got a good background. I don't got that much storage on my phone. I got the iPhone 13, not the 14 Pro Max. Now, today, I'm not good at making videos. Shit, because you wasn't making none. You not good at hitting floaters? Because you wasn't making none. Your handwriting sucks because you haven't been writing. The way that you speak hasn't been fluid enough because you haven't been reading. Your thoughts have been convoluted, all over the place, very sporadic, because you haven't been meditating. Whose fault is that? You're lacking something that you have. You have the gift. Use it.